Here we have a washing machine received in workshop for repairs. So the mechanic has identified the problem with its drain motor, which is here. This is the drain motor. If it is fine, it pulls this rope, steel rope, which in turn shall pull away the rubber stopper inside, and the drain will allow the surf water, or to say dirty water, to pass through this drain pipe in the outlet of this washing machine. This is the outlet of washing machine. Now this is the main drum and only drum in fully automatic washing machine. As you all probably know, the fully automatic washing machine has only one drum as against two drums in semi-automatic washing machines. These are the jumpers, 4 numbers all around this drum, so that during vibration of the drum, the 4 jumpers takes care of. Now, apart from this drain motor, you can see here, this is the pulley and belt through which gearbox is rotated. The motor inside is also there, which will be driving the gearbox, and gearbox in turn rotates the pulsator inside this drum, which will take the cloths along for rotation and removal of dirt from the cloths.